Welcome to the Learn Microsoft Excel from A to Z Beginner to Expert course. In this practical hands-on course, our main objective is to give you the education not just to understand the ins and outs of Microsoft Excel, but to also learn exactly how to master pivot tables, formulas, macros, VBA, data analysis, and how to land your first job as an Excel expert. Whether you're brand new to the world of Excel or you have some training and knowledge of the software and are looking to improve your skills, this course will take your Excel skills to the next level. Once you complete this course, you'll have access to the full functionality of Excel and will know how to use all the formulas, functions, and capabilities to their full potential. My name is Juan and I'm one of your instructors in this course. My background is in the tech space, specifically with digital marketing, web development, and coding. And Skylar is your other instructor in this course and works as an Excel expert consultant for businesses all over the world. Together, we're going to give you the foundational education that you need to know, not just on how to use Excel at an expert level, but also how to get paid for your newly developed skills. This particular course covers 4 main areas. Number 1, Intro to Excel. This intro section gives you the full introduction to Microsoft Excel, the data analyst industry and the marketplace, and then the various job opportunities and salaries that you can expect in the marketplace. We're going to go over the various job opportunities. We're going to show you how to get started with Excel. We're going to show you some of the basic functions. And then in section 2, we're going to go into the intermediate level of Excel. This section gives you a full introduction to the intermediate level Excel functions with hands-on step-by-step training. We're going to go over data visualization, data sets, databases, data validation, pivot tables, and so much more. And then in section 3, we're going to go over the Excel macros and VBA. This section gives you a full introduction to the Excel macros and VBA with hands-on step-by-step training. We're going to go over the VBA language, the VBA code, VBA loops, macros, user forms, and so much more. And then finally in section 4, we're going to go over starting a career in the Excel field. This section gives you a full introduction to starting a career as an Excel programmer with hands-on step-by-step training. We're going to go over creating a resume. We're going to go over freelancing. We're going to go over how to get your first client, personal branding, the importance of having a website, and then how to go about networking the right way. So we're excited for you to join us and we look forward to seeing you on the inside.